Fully automatic shipment supply system. Introduction. The fully automatic shipment supply system is usually used in the front end of the automatic sorting system. It allows the mixed parcel to be positioned, separated, and intelligently queued, automatically turning the bulk parcel into a single piece to form a neat formation to reduce line congestion, accumulation, and omission caused by the entry of the bulk parcel. The system supports seamless connection with the various automated sorting equipment to realize the fully automatic positioning, singulation, transmission, and sorting of the mixed parcel. Compared with the traditional logistics manual sorting operations, it has the advantages of reducing manpower input and improving the efficiency of the parcel processing, and widely applicable to major express distribution centers and e-commerce warehousing and distribution centers. System composition. The fully automatic shipment supply system is composed of stacked parcel separation belt conveyor, scattering belt conveyor, separation belt conveyor, vision system, stacked parcel detection belt conveyor, and a steerable wheel sorter. The parcels are separated by the stacked parcel separation belt conveyor. The scattering belt conveyor opens the gap between the parcel and transports them to the separation belt conveyor, while the vision system captures the real-time position of them. The optimal separation sequence and path are calculated through data algorithm analysis, and the posture adjustment of the parcel is completed at the same time. The separation belt conveyor realizes the separation, pulling distance, and queuing of the parcel, and finally, the stacked parcel detection belt conveyor detects the stacks and removes the stacks through the steerable wheel sorter. Technical parameter. The main performance indicators of the system: maximum support weight of 8 kilograms, maximum sorting efficiency of 8,000 pieces per hour with the accuracy rate as high as 99.9%. The thinnest sorted parcel size is as low as 1 mm. Compact structure with a minimum height of only 500 mm. System feature: adopt active light infrared binocular camera with high stability and resistance to ambient light interference. External high-frequency heart trigger to ensure simultaneous photos taken by multiple cameras up to 30 frames. High-precision parcel contour recognition algorithm, positioning as low as 1 mm parcel. Self-developed deep learning algorithm, supporting separation of left and right adhesion, front and back adhesion, and other parcel adhesion states. Modular design, stable equipment, easy to install and maintain. High cost performance, high return on investment, suitable for cartons, envelopes, waterproof bags, and other packaging forms.